I'm with Jim Griswold of Angel Fire Forge, and he created this beautiful gate. Jim, tell me, how do you go about starting a project like this?
Well, Ed, the way that we did this one is working with the client, finding out what some of his interests were, and then we went up to his pond, and we're just sitting there, and we saw the gate with the cattail grasses and everything across his pond, and that's where we came up with the original idea. Then we went ahead and sketched it, and then made it into a full-size pattern, and from there, I forged the pieces together.
Oh, wow, it's beautiful. Not only can you see the cattail, but what's this here?
Oh, that's a dragonfly, and it just adds a little accent to it.
It kind of fits into your theme, doesn't it, by using the pond?
I think it makes it come alive a little bit more. I like the work to be as much motion and alive as I can so that it isn't static.
Is this a Japanese float up here on the top?
Yes, it is. We just thought that it would create kind of the feeling of the water bubbling and just gives a little more life to it.
Now tell me a little bit about the steps. How do you go about creating something like this?
Well, like I said before, you start out with your full pattern, and then from there I take raw steel and then I hand forge it all together into the shapes and into the designs, and then follow the pattern so I don't lose that form, because we're after a certain thing.
Now, in forging, did you use a style or a type of forging of this particular gate?
Well, yeah, I used a coal forge, and I used an anvil and all the traditional black step methods.
Now, there's other styles of forging, aren't there?
Yes, there's traditional joinery, and this is what we would call more of a free form type of style, but it's all the same basic steps that you use.
In the installation of something like this, what's involved?
Well, what we did is we put in the large posts and then build a form to hold everything in position, and then I handmade the hinges, and then we welded those back onto the posts.
So this whole thing is your creation, you might say, all from along with the client, of course, in the designing of it.
Right, that's correct.
Now, you do other things, too, in your blacksmith business.
Yeah, I do garden bird baths, and I do sometimes garden furniture and indoor furniture and chandeliers. I do a pretty broad type of thing, but garden gates are really exciting to me right now.
Oh, yeah, they're really neat. Thanks, Jim. That's all the time we have today. Hope you can join me at the same time next time for Gardening in America. And remember, our relationship with the planet today is tomorrow's future.